Hi everyone, I'm Megha from PerkyMix.com and welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe for more such interesting videos on fashion, makeup and beauty. And don't forget to hit that bell button to get notifications whenever I upload a new video. So last week we just crossed 50,000 subscribers and it was so unbelievable. Thank you so much guys for your love and your support, and we will soon cross 100,000 subscribers, I hope. Last week I posted this on my Instagram account, and by the way, if you are not following me on Instagram, then do follow. My Insta handle is same, Perky Makes, my daily makeup and fashion and all updates, so I'm most active there. So coming to today's video is about a huge haul. The clothing items that I've got in the last month and this month, I've combined it all because I have stopped doing these kind of haul videos. I don't know why. So today I thought let's do a clothing haul video. So I bought some items, some ethnic wear, some western wear. So without further ado, let's start our today's video. So first I got some online kurtis from Jabong and Myntra. So let me show you that. So the first item I got from Myntra is this kurti. This is a beautiful kurti. So this kurti is from the brand Global Desi, and sale was going on Myntra, so I just grabbed this piece, and I especially love this embroidery that is at the front. So I absolutely love it, and I will show you in other video how I will style these clothing pieces. And you always ask me for links, so for the items which I got online, I leave the links in the description box below. So the next item that I got from Myntra is this beautiful crossbody crop top, and this will look beautiful with high waist skirts or lehengas and high waist pants, or even you can wear these with saris. So I absolutely love this color. Next item that I got is from Jabong, and I got this beautiful hot pink kurti. We were going to Vaishno Devi, and my mother-in-law told me that there is a tradition in family that whoever goes Vaishno Devi for the first time, they have to wear new clothes. And so this was my first time, so I was going with my family, and new clothes always welcome. So I was in a hurry, so I ordered this kurti online from Jabong, and this is such a beautiful hot pink color. I absolutely loved it. This is from a brand Melange, and there was sale going on this one also, and I really like this one. This is a beautiful hot pink kurti. It has this high-low cut at the front. It's short at the front and longer at the bottom, and I was in a search of such pretty hot pink kurti from a long time, so I'll again show you in different videos how I style it. Then I got a single item from H&M, and that is a belly, lace up bellies. So these are the bellies that I got from there. You must have watched me wearing these in some of the videos. I got these last month, and I love these so much. They look so chic and stylish, and I am not a heel person mostly, so I mostly buy flats, and I just love these. Then I got a small item from Lifestyle, and that is this beautiful crop top from Ginger. Ginger is an in-house brand of Lifestyle, and the moment I saw this has these cold shoulders, and it's a cute crop top, and the print is so cute. I just loved it. So this is the one that I got from Ginger. I'm going to pair this with my high waist skirts and pants and jeggings. Then I got these ankle pants from Sabhyata, which I wore in my last video on how to style kurtis with pants, and they are just for 600 rupees, and they have these pockets, and the stitch is so smart. This is kind of a raw silk kind of material, and I absolutely loved it. And my sister-in-law, she went to Chandni Chowk to get the fabric of a pant. She got it stitched, and she was so surprised to see that this pant costed me less than the one that she got stitched. So she was like, I am going to buy next time ready-made stitched pants from Sabhyata because these are so smart. So I will also advise you to go for ready-made pants rather than the tailored ones, because sometimes the boutique don't stitch pants that smart, so it doesn't give overall the smart look, and I absolutely love these pants. So highly recommended from Sabhyata. You should watch out for their plazos and pants. They are just amazing. So next I got some items from Central. Central, you know, is my most favorite place to buy clothes. They have Western wear, they have Indian wear, and they have amazing affordable clothing. So I absolutely love it. They have all kinds of brands from high end to affordable, and I also mentioned Central in my last video on where my top places to buy Indian ethnic wear. So you must definitely check it out. Central is all over India. I think there is Central Jaipur, there is Gurgaon Central, there is Noida Central. I'm sure there is Central in Mumbai, Bangalore. You must check it out. I absolutely love it. So what I got from Central is there was a offer going on for buy 2 get 50% off. So I bought these items from Central. The first one is from this brand called Cover Story. Cover Story has amazing dresses. I absolutely love their dresses, and when sale was going on, so I got this lovely mustard dress. It is an off-shoulder dress. You can see this is an off-shoulder dress. It has this detailing neck at the back, and this is such a nice color. I always wanted to buy something of this color. So I just love this. The next item I got from Cover Story is this beautiful top. It has this beautiful white embroidery over this light blue fabric. This is in cotton, and this is again a cold shoulder top. I just could not resist when I saw it. This is such a pretty top. This is a crop top. I will wear this with my pants, again with my skirts, and I love these kind of chikankari type. This is not exactly chikankari, but I just love this white thread work in whatever fabric, and so I just love this. And the last item that I got from Central is from this brand called Vedic. Is this cold shoulder crop top with this full sleeves. This is in pink color, and you must be observing that I am just in love with cold shoulder tops, cold shoulder dresses. Cold shoulders is my favorite from the last 1 year, and I am absolutely enjoying it. Cold shoulder makes everything so smart, like cold shoulder tops, cold shoulder kurtis, and cold shoulder shirts. They are just amazing. I'm just loving them. I tell you, you should get at least one cold shoulder item in your wardrobe. So girls, this was all about my haul. I hope you all liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do subscribe my channel.
For more such fashion tips, please follow me on Instagram for a quick daily dose of fashion. Feel beautiful, be stylish. Bye bye.